bush is on fire. Wait, it's not burning up. Weird. I need to get a close look.
Moses.
Yes, that's me.
Don't come any closer. Take off your shoes. You are on holy ground.
Who are you?
I am the God of Abram, of Isaac and Jacob. Moses, I have seen the misery of my people in Egypt, and I can't bear to see them suffer any more. So I want you to go back to Pharaoh, set my people free, and take them to the land which I will give you.
Me, not me. Please, send someone else.
I will be with you always. Pick up your stick and go.
But what shall I say your name is?
I am. The one who has always been, the one who will always be.